This is my phone. It's battered. I've never fixed up a phone before, but I'm going to give it a go. And it should be relatively easy. With the help of iFixit, a wonderful little website, easy to use, thousands of manuals on pretty much any piece of tech. I've already got a nice list of all the parts and tools I'll need to get this XR fixed up again, so let's go pick them. These tools are pretty cheap and cheerful, I'm not going to lie to you. The ones I'm going to use are a little bit more beginner friendly. But truthfully, it's not the tools that you use, it's how you use them. So I'm going to take this mat and we're going to get on with it. These are both top of the line brands for phone screens, so I need to ask around and get some second opinions on this.
I think that's FX5.
iTree color.
Oh damn.
FX5. Samsung.
Now like FX5 or iTree color.
iTree.
Yeah boy. Well that ended up quite pointless. I think I'm going to have to think of a new way to get this done.
Oh my god! It's the FX5!
Well, that's the easy part done. I just need to do the actual fixing part now, but we'll save that for next time. I need to do a bit of research, make sure that my first time goes smoothly, and prove that if someone as clueless as me can fix his phone up, then you probably could too.